Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start by combining 1/4 cup of your favorite health mix powder with 1 cup of water in a small saucepan. Whisk these ingredients thoroughly to ensure there are no lumps. This initial step is crucial for achieving a smooth and creamy kanji. A well-mixed base prevents a grainy texture, making your health mix kanji much more enjoyable. This simple preparation sets the stage for a nutritious and delicious meal. Now, place your saucepan over medium heat. It's important to stir the mixture continuously as it heats up. This constant stirring prevents the kanji from sticking to the bottom of the pan and ensures even cooking. You'll notice it gradually thickening over about 3 to 5 minutes. The goal is a smooth, porridge-like consistency, perfect for a comforting and healthy meal. Keep an eye on it to avoid overcooking. Once your kanji has reached the desired thickness, it's time to customize the flavor. For a savory option, a small pinch of salt works wonderfully. If you prefer a sweet kanji, add a tablespoon of grated jaggery or a teaspoon of honey. You can also stir in a 1/4 cup of warm milk or coconut milk for extra creaminess and richness. A dash of cardamom powder can also elevate the aroma beautifully. Your delicious and nutritious health mix kanji is now ready to be served. Pour it into a bowl and enjoy it warm. For an extra boost of nutrition and texture, you can garnish it with a sprinkle of chopped almonds, cashews, or a few slices of fresh fruit like banana. This easy method provides a quick, healthy, and satisfying meal, perfect for any time of day. It's a simple way to incorporate essential nutrients into your diet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.